So I'm Jenny Drake, and I joined with Sunny not too long ago. And in the past, I have been a school teacher, and I've been on my own journey of entrepreneurship. And so currently, I am a self-love coach for men and women. But after joining with Sunny and her team, I've really found my passion is helping single women attract their ideal partner. And so I'm creating an online course to help single women over 40 to do just that. Prior to enrolling in the AA program, I had a one-on-one coaching business where I supported men and women with hour-long Zooms, and I had a good handful of clients. I still have those handfuls of clients. But I started to realize after just 4 years of doing that it was exhausting to have those Zooms every single day to continue to grow my business. And I wasn't enjoying life as much as I thought I would having a one-on-one coaching business. So that's kind of what led me to AA is I really resonated with the no longer trading time for money situation. So now that I'm in AA, I'm still meeting with my one-on-one coaching clients and doing the program at the same time. It can feel like I'm kind of doing two things at once, and at times it can be overwhelming. However, I really navigate through that by thinking of the future, thinking of the end game, and just really understanding that at some point my one-on-one coaching clients aren't going to be there anymore. And that really motivates me to stick with the AA program, to kind of let go of that prior way of working my business to the new way. So and being a part of the AA program is like where the energy is and where the excitement is. I've just launched my first pop. I'm in the second session of my first pop, and it's just so fun and engaging and exciting. And so even though there's a lot going on all at the same time in my career right now, I'm really excited for the future. So tangible results is that I was able to get 54 people on a call during the ICA process. And a lot of those were not from my warm market or my followers, my current community. Many of them were new. And then I've actually enrolled 2 students into my first pop. And with that, they paid upfront, which was a gross of $4,000. So that felt really good. I should be like a cheerleader for the AA program if I've told so many people about it. And I think as far as being hesitant about any investment in the AA program, I have felt from the beginning with the support and the calls and the sales leadership, really that I think I tuned in right at the beginning for the weekly calls, and then the first sales call. I felt like every penny was worth it just with that support. I've been in sales for a long time, but hearing Connor, I've listened to several of his calls. It's just so valuable. I think the investment of AA could just be for the sales. But then you get the whole program, you get step by step. It's so easy to follow. And you can go back and revisit it and replay it, and it's nice that you can take your own time. But they're not going to let you fall between the cracks or anything. I would just say, like, for me, the support knowing that you're not alone, the community, what we're learning, and how it's the information is very simple to understand. It's not, I wouldn't say it's easy to do it. It's building a business. It's not going to be easy, but having the support in the community and all the expert people on the team, like hands down, I've never once thought that it wasn't worth every penny that I invested.